so these are the apps you are going to need for this: YouTube, Documents, iMovie, Vaunt, and Musical.ly. So you're going to go into YouTube and you're pretty much going to just search the song that you are going to do. So you're going to want to pick the shortest one so that doesn't take up. So yeah, this lyric video will be really good to like know where you are. You're going to press this arrow up here and you're going to copy the link. Okay, so now is when you need to pay attention. So after you have done that, you're going to go into Documents and you are pretty much just going to like swipe this little Safari looking thing down here. So you're just going to swipe over and then you're going to go to save from .net, and you have to go on this whenever, like up in here in the search bar, just search save from .net, and then you're going to go in here, enter the URL, paste the link that you copied from YouTube, and it might take a second, but it eventually pops up, and just like that, it pops up. You hit download, and then it's going to take you to the screen, and you're going to press save. Okay, you're going to go back over here, and you're going to click on the downloads file, hit the three dots up here, and then you're going to hit move, and you're going to hit all photos, and move to all photos. Okay, so now that it's in your camera roll, you're going to go to iMovie. So you're going to hit make a new movie. You're going to hit movie, not trailer, don't hit trailer. And then you're going to click on the movie that you just downloaded. So you have to pick out the little snippet that you want, and you want it a little bit longer than like the size that you would normally, or the length that you normally want it, because, well, if you're doing a sped up audio, but if you're not, then just make it like it has to be less than 15 seconds. But yeah, so let me just pick my little snippet and I'll be back. Okay, so now that I've got my snippet, I'm going to start right here where it says push another girl aside, and you're going to hit split, and then you're going to tap on the little thing that you don't want, the part that you don't want, and you're going to hit delete. Okay, I'm going to stop it right there. Notice it's longer than 15 seconds. And if it doesn't shorten up to less than 15 seconds, I'm going to have to delete some, which is fine. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to go to this little like speedometer looking thing, I guess. And you're going to speed it up to the like side that has the rabbit. And you're just going to kind of play with it and make sure you like it. I mean, you can make it super fast or you can make it just like a little bit faster. Oh yeah, also another tip, make sure you go down here in this little settings thing and you need to click on speed changes pitch, or else it's going to sound really weird and just sped up the way he's saying it instead of like actually like the tune of it. It's not going to be sped up. So then, just make sure you like it. Because it's 15.4 seconds, I'm going to shorten it so that it is 15 seconds. Or even like 14.9 is probably better, because you just want to be safe. Because if it's longer than 15 seconds, Musical.ly will like make it to where people can't remuse it, and which you don't want that, obviously, if you're going to do a sound account. Okay, so then you're going to click done, and you're going to click this little arrow in the box down here. And then it's going to pop up and say save video, and you want to save it at the highest export size that you can. What you're going to do is you're going to go in, here, okay, and then you're going to find, see, I have like a bunch of pictures down here that I really like. So I just kind of like pre-picked them out. I might go find a new picture, so I'll be right back. Okay, so a tip that I would give you, if you're wanting this kind of like, not this, but like more this kind of style aesthetic for your audio account, this guy right here, his name, he pretty much does all the ones that I've seen of like all the YouTubers and everything. A lot of YouTubers use them, and then like there's just really cute pictures. So I normally save the image a couple times because sometimes iMovie will like glitch out and not show it. So you're going to go back in iMovie and you're going to hit plus, and then you're going to make another movie. This time you're going to start with the picture instead of the audio. And then you're going to hit the plus sign, and you're going to go in videos, and you're going to go recently added, and you're going to click the one that you just saved, and you're going to hit the three dots and hit this little squiggly thing with the plus sign. That was the hardest part for me. I just didn't know how to put a picture with audio. And then I looked up how to like make an audio like the video I'm making right now. And they told me, which really helps me. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's not like pixelated or anything because like I said, it's an actual photo session from like a professional photographer. So it's going to be good quality. And so you're going to go back and do the same steps that you did, only this time you're going to save it in 1080p. Just like that. Now we're going to go in Vaunt, and you are pretty much just going to tap anywhere on the screen, load new video, click on the one you just made. You're going to crop it to square, which is going to help you a lot. And you can really do it anywhere. I want to do it right here because it just looks really good right there. Maybe like here or here. I think there. Okay. So, yeah, that's what you do. And you just crop it. And it's going to say compressing. It's going to load everything in. You're going to tap the screen again. And there's like a lot of fonts. And there's a way to like download your own fonts, which I like to do because these fonts can be kind of boring. So what you're going to do is, this is my like little watermark that I put on there. And then I make sure that the O's are slashed. I don't know, it's just like a thing that I do. So, and then it's already in the font. And if you want to know what font this is, the font is Watermelon Script Demo, it says. I don't know. It's fine. It honestly is like the same resolution that it would be. I'm pretty sure it doesn't make it that much better. What you're going to do from there is it's ready, and you can just go into Musical.ly, press the plus sign when you get in it, and I think you're going to see my face for a second. It's really laggy for some reason. So hi, yeah, that's my face. So yeah, I still look like poop. Hi. So you're going to press this little thing in the corner right here, and it's pretty much just going to bring you to this page, which you're going to pick your audio that you made and keep it on normal, hit the check mark, and then you're going to continue. You're going to hit next, and then kind of just put whatever you want. Sometimes I put like a filter on it, but I don't know, something about like the colors in these kind of photos, I really like it already. So yeah, and you just put your caption, and then yeah, and then you post it. So for some reason the audio in this clip cut out. I was just pretty much showing you guys my account and the fact that I already had a few notifications from people liking it, and I only posted it like from that point, I think like a couple minutes ago. So yeah, go follow any of the people that you see on here because they're amazing, because they like my audios, and I get like comments all the time saying, oh, I'm so happy I found your account and stuff, and it just makes me really, really happy to know that people like what I'm doing. So I hope you guys have good, awesome luck with your account. I wish you the best. And if you have any questions, leave them down below and I will answer them for sure. Also, Mania is out by the time this goes up. It actually came out today, so yeah, it's really good. You guys should go listen to it. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.